Hello guys and welcome back again by today's new crypto daily update video, and in today's video we're gonna discuss all these charts and the trades I have been opening here and some on-chain data. For now it is pretty important to make sure to follow me over on X and subscribe over on my YouTube channel and smash up the like button if you like this video, and let's dive right away into the chart right now. We can see we are currently creating a massive bull flag pattern here on Bitcoin. We have resistance on the top side, support on the lower side here. If this one breaks out, we are currently looking at a price target of approximately 120k here. So things are looking very good for Bitcoin as well. Of course, for now, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that crypto isn't doing that much, and that's why this video is a little bit shorter, because there is not much happening in the market right now. But on higher time frames, we see some very high confidence setups here. And that's exactly what we have been seeing here with the bull flag. If this pattern breaks out towards the upside and perfectly retest old resistance and flip it into support, we can see a massive move towards the 120k here. Also, that is separate with this momentum squeeze we had right here. We had resistance on the top side. We broke out of it. We have a perfect retest right now. And now we expect a move towards the upside towards the 115k. But if we break out of this pattern, that will also mean we break out of this bull flag pattern, which will bring us towards 120k. Something that is pretty important here is we are currently once again at the lowest point of volatility here since 2023, and we keep dropping, and today isn't done yet. So I maybe think that we will grab the lowest point once again here, and this is a really sign that if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see actually that we don't do that much here, and that's exactly because the volatility is that low. But with low volatility zones means that high volatility peaks are next here, so that's what I am anticipating on. If we look at the liquidity here, we're stacking some liquidity on the upside, but it's not that much. We took out this liquidity here, so the longs are out of the market here. So I really think that some upside towards this high to take the short people out is a very likely scenario here. So keep that in mind. The trades I have been opening is a 1.2 million trade on Bitcoin and a massive trade over on Ethereum here. And currently, like I've said, the markets aren't doing a thing here, and we see that we are currently just ranging through above our entry here. But if we pump towards the upside, we will make some very big gains here over on Bitcoin and Ethereum, exactly the same here. So for now, we're in a little 7k profit, but it is just bouncing up and down here above our entry price. But I really think that tomorrow and Thursday will be very interesting for the market here. So that will mean that we probably will get some big moves, and of course we expect it towards the upside here, and that's why we have such very big long positions open here. If we look at some on-chain data, which is always pretty important here, we can see that whales dumped 500k in Bitcoin, but ETFs and institution grabbed 900k. So that means that 400k Bitcoin is more into the ETF here. And that's a pretty good sign, because that usually means that we will have a supply shock in the end of the day. And a supply shock will mean that the price will skyrocket towards the upside. So this is 25% of all the supply, which is a pretty good sign. And this is a power shift in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will get scarier and scarier. And yeah, this will cause for some massive moves into the crypto market here. So this is a really good sign that the supply shock is in anytime sooner, and the supply shock will cause a very big move towards the upside. And then that was it for today's video. A little shorter video as expected here, because markets aren't doing anything here. But if you want to keep to get updated with some on-chain data and some really nice technical analysis, please make sure to follow me over on X because I'm literally sharing alpha here. So when I open a trade, I literally shared it live over here. So if you would have followed me, you would have seen this very nice setup and some very nice alpha, and you will be never missing something again in the crypto markets here. And please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and sub and like this video if you like this video. And then I will see you tomorrow by a longer crypto daily update video. Later.